make this quick because I'm tired as hell. So I'm gonna kind of clean up the bench just so I could see what the hell I'm doing here. I got a few little things up my sleeve tonight. There's a saw I gotta put away. Gotta put the saw away. Is that thing plugged in? So yeah, I am cleaning the bench. Another stupid bench cleaning video. Seems like I clean benches more than I freaking make videos, right? But don't worry. In between all these bench cleaning videos, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Don't worry. Where the hell did I just put that? That goes in that drawer. That goes somewhere. This is in the way. Note to self: don't leave a big yellow drill. See, I'm trying to keep this part of the screen clear, because you know what? When I leave dumb comments in there, you can't see them. So maybe I could lift it up. I don't know. Anyway, plus it just looks a lot cleaner. These I'll put in here. It's just part of my bench. All right, let me put this back in the drawer. There. All right, that brings my, yeah, I'm tired because my wife's getting close to popping the kid out. I'm getting close to falling asleep. I didn't get much sleep. I had to go over the border. Found out I gotta apply for another permit for some stupid fucking reason. So yeah, it's all bullshit. But anyway, short video. I hope everybody likes my videos, and hey, like, subscribe, do all that shit.